imagine being at the highest peak and not being able to see.
Hey guys, morning. So it's Friday morning and it's a holiday here actually. I'm about to check out of this hotel. I booked a hotel in Hakata, so the same place that I've been for the past few days. I'm going back there because I feel like that's like the Tokyo of Kyushu. So it has a lot of like hotels and stuff. So I'm gonna just go there after I finish my activities here. I'm already off to a late start, which is fine because I'm not pushing myself, you know. I'm doing what I can do here. If I can't do something, then it's fine. Anyways, I'm moisturizing my face with baby oil because I'm doing an exfoliating treatment and it's stripping my face. I don't like going out with my face stripping because I don't want anybody to be like, ew, look at her skin. But I know that at the end of this treatment my face is gonna be glowing and everything, but still the process is ridiculous. Anyways, I'm gonna check out now. Hopefully the hotel can keep my luggage for me so I don't have to pay storage fee because I don't want to pay these storage fees. Guys, I made it to the ropeway. Oh guys, you can see the ropeway. This is so cool. Anyways, I'm about to go check it out right now. 10:40. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I made it to the ropeway and I already bought my ticket, which was for 1,600 both ways. And it's extremely foggy today, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to see a lot of stuff, but I'm hoping for the best. But it's very foggy. But yeah, I'm a little excited, but it's a little scary to be traveling through the fog. But let's see how it goes. We just came out of the ropeway and there is a whole ass town here. This is so cool. I was not expecting this. I thought it was like a go up and go down. Didn't know that we can actually chill here. But guys, you can't see anything because of the fog. Anyway, let's see what's here. So we came through this building. I was not expecting to see like a whole neighborhood up here. Well, actually nobody, I don't think anybody lives up here, but there are buildings and stuff. This announcement is so loud. Anyways, so I'm going to this pathway that I saw many people go through just to walk and see what is there. I actually thought it was like a 10-minute ride just to go and come back. I didn't know that it was like a whole section up here, which is even better, like more value for my money. What is it? Dear. Okay. It's a good thing I wore sneakers. So I'm there casually reading the brochures that they gave me, only to see that Mount Surumi is an active volcano. Okay, so I'm actually on an active volcano right now, guys. I don't know where the volcano is, but it's an active volcano. Hopefully we're nowhere near where it is.
nowhere near the active volcano because your girl ain't ready yet. I really wish there wasn't so much fog because I really want to explore, you know. I really wanted to see the view. People come in. So tired. A lot of walking. Look at the steps all the way down, and it goes back all the way down to continue. Not bad. Look on this. So look on this. Look on this. I did not sign up. Oh, this is the top of the mountain. I'm heading there. I did not sign up to go to. I did not sign up for hiking, people. I did not. But since I'm here, let me just do some exercise. I actually only had fruits for breakfast, so I'm a little hungry. I really wish there wasn't any fog, because I would have been able to see everything more clearly. Alright, see you guys at the top. I'm catching my breath right here because your girl is tired, yo. I don't even remember what this area is called. Some 7 lucky pilgrim something. When I'm going back, I'm gonna show you guys the sign, but I'm in fog. Plus it's sunny, so it's like the sun is burning me or something. It's like I'm in the clouds. That's what it looks like. Can't see anything. This sucks. So this is the 7 dainties of good luck, and I'm going to the 7 dainties of good luck and pilgrimage. So this is where I'm coming from. Alright, let's go this way and see what's there. Like, this would have been so perfect view if only the goddamn fog just leave us alone. Imagine being at the highest peak and not being able to see shit. Like, this is crazy, yo. Crazy. Literally everybody has left me, so I'm gonna just head back down to the ropeway and then head back down to civilization. Yeah, because this ain't it at all. And a lot of insects are up here, flying insects and stuff. I'm here by myself, and they said that I saw a sign that said there are deer. Can never pronounce this, deer up here. But I'm not afraid of them. Like, if it was a bear, then of course, hell yeah. But I'm not afraid of deer. Anyways, guys, I'm heading back down. You see steams. This is like the #1 onsen prefecture, one onsen city in Japan. Like, there are so many onsens. Look at steam. So I ordered this chicken thing and I said 2 without realizing that it's not. So the picture that I saw on the screen is not what I ordered, but it's fine because as long as it's chicken. But I wanted only 1, but it is what it is. 400 yen. Exactly like that, but there are 7 of them, but I don't have the time to search and look for all 7, but I've seen enough. Like this one is so beautiful, like the water is bluish greenish, and like you can see the steam. So it's very hot. You actually can't go in here because you probably would get burnt to death. But anyways, so I'm gonna head to my next spot now because I feel like time is going. I should have been at the hotel at 2 o'clock, but because you know, like the transportation system here is not so reliable, so I have to, so time caught up on me. But anyways, I'm gonna head to the bath place, which is at the beach, and then let's see what can happen there. I found this one. Wow. This place is beautiful. There's a hot spring over there that you can actually go and just put your foot in it. Pretty cool. But you have to buy your own towel. There are steams everywhere. There is another section over this side, but I'm not going there because I am short on time. But I guess this is what it looks like a mud bath looking thing and just a regular onsen. So I'm gonna head to the sun place if I can get a taxi. And I guess there is a zoo on the property, but I have no time to go over there. Wish I had more time here, but it is what it is. Yeah. So I just came off of the bus. I'm walking towards the let me see. Oh, yeah, I'm on the right track. I'm walking towards the sand beach so that I can do the sun bath thing. The thing is though, it's now 2:37 and I told the receptionist back at the hotel that I would be back at 2 o'clock. So I don't know what time I'm gonna get back there, but I don't know, like it's not like they can do anything really. They're probably gonna be annoyed. I never expected, like, it's the freaking, what you call it, the bus system here is so annoying. Like, I don't even know what time I'm gonna get back to the hotel. I wanted to go to the onsen right after I do the sun bath, but I don't see that possible because I want to get back to collect my suitcase as soon as possible. So I'm gonna have to find out an onsen back at the hotel area. But this is an onsen city, so I think I should be able to find one. Right here reminds me of Miami. with the palm trees. I just called the hotel and I told him that I'm gonna be back at 5 o'clock. I think I should be back by 5. I'm hoping. Yeah, so I don't know, like I don't know where this place is. I'm supposed to be looking for some sand, like black sand. So I'm trying to find, I'm at the beach by the way, but I can't find it. Let me just continue to walk and see. But yeah, I'm glad that I got the suitcase part out of the way. Wait, I think I see it down there. Yeah, I see it. Okay, I see them. Like, look over there. So I think that's where it is. It's so cool. I'm gonna get sun bath. Get a sun bath. I think they're gonna. I'm gonna put on a kimono or something like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But this beach is not like something for you to. It's not a beach that you can swim in because it's muddy and you. I think I saw it when I was coming, maybe in the train. Yeah, but this is along the coast, this city. Okay, guys, so I made it to hotel number 4, I think. But anyways, so I'm gonna give you guys a hotel tour. So this hotel was a little pricey, and it was pricey because it's a holiday today, so I think that is why it was so pricey, and I couldn't get like a lot of options, so that is why I selected this. This is I think 14,000 for the night, which is like way out of my budget, but you know I had to stay somewhere. Anyways, let me see. Oh shit, trying to open this thing. Let me see. Oh, why do I always get horrible freaking views? Like, look at the view. Like, the main road is over there and I'm looking at a wall. Anyways, let me turn this, pull this down. This makes no sense. Anyway, so what are they saying? Eco whatever. Okay, so I got 2 robes. I don't know what this is. Okay, what is this? What is this? I don't know. Oh, maybe something for your laptop, like when you're sitting down you can press your laptop on it. I got a flat screen TV. Oh shit, I washed my hand earlier. It's trying to say that I have to put my hand in there. Anyways, this bathroom is nice. This is slightly better than the hotel that I'm coming from, and apparently this room is for 2 people, so everything I'm getting 2 of everything. The 2 of these, 2 robes, 2 towels, 2 everything. I'm checking out tomorrow though. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just relax. I'm gonna stay relaxed all day, because like, no, not all day. I'm gonna relax for until 11. Checkout is at 11 because I feel like I have been pushing myself too much, so I need to relax. And I'm not like very fussy as relates to what I see and what I don't see. Like, I went to Beppu and it was really good. Like, everything I wanted to do there, I did it. When I went to I went to the what you call it, I went to the bath thingy where they buried me, but they said that I couldn't do any videos, so they took pictures. I'm gonna insert the pictures. And also there was this bath area, so I showered, and also I could go into an onsen, but the onsen was like a man-made onsen, so it wasn't all that, but at least it was an onsen, so I'm satisfied with it. So that is why I didn't go somewhere else, and then I just came here right away. Yeah, so I'm gonna, now it's, what time is it? Where's my phone? It's 7:17, so I'm gonna head out. It's like Hakata, I've been here, what, how many times have I been to this goddamn place now? 50 million times. Anyway, so I'm gonna head out and look for some food because I'm hungry. Maybe I'm gonna go to Moss Burgers because, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. This place has 2 entrances, so at one point I was very confused, like, where do I find this place? Because, and then the elevator that I came to, the lady had to leave her desk and come show me where the elevator was, because I wouldn't have found it. I'm tired. Yeah, because today I did a lot of stuff, a lot of traveling. I mean, like, yeah, it was just a lot of traveling for the most part. Yeah, so I'm gonna
try and book my hotel. So my plan is I'm gonna go to Kumamoto, which is where I'm flying out from to go back to Tokyo. So I'm gonna stay there. I'm gonna book a hotel for 2 nights because I'm leaving on Monday the 26th. So what I'm gonna do is when I'm at that hotel, I'm gonna just probably like do day trips. So like if I can go to Nagasaki, because I really want to go to Nagasaki, so I might go to Nagasaki, or I might research some other places. But I just want some stability at this point, because I feel like I'm jumping, like I'm hotel hopping, and that's not good. It's good and it's not good, because at least I just stay wherever I'm exploring, you know. But at the same time, it's like every night I come home I have to try and find somewhere to stay for the next night. That's fine, but also I'm over it now. Like in the beginning it was really good, you know, like just not knowing where I'm gonna be the next day, you know, that was cool. But now I feel like I'm over that, and I just want to be stable, you know. It was fun like while it lasted. Anyway, so I'm gonna get some food and come back, shower, relax, plan my night, and also I need to plan my trip for next month. So like the trip that I'm going to next month, I definitely have to put in a lot of thought and make sure that I'm planning it as well as I can, because I'm going outside of the country and I'm not familiar with these countries. I've never been there, so I don't know how the things are. But I hope that taxis are cheap, because I prefer to take taxis than public transportation. Because today I had to figure out like how to, and then Beppu is, guys, if you're coming to Beppu, try to rent a car, because what I noticed is the places are not so far away, like less than 30 minutes apart from each other. But if you take the bus, sometimes it's 50 minutes or 40 minutes apart, you know, because they take some longer routes. And also the bus, they run like once, twice or 3 times if it's a holiday or weekend per day, and that's just crazy. Like I can't live in the countryside at all. So I'm back. I went to Lateria. Is it Lateria? Oh, I went to Moss Burgers. Like I don't know the difference between them. So I went to Moss Burgers and I got a burger. I'm gonna show you guys in a sec. I went to the convenience store and I bought some water. I don't know if the hotel gave me any water. I just bought some just in case. And also downstairs they offer free coffee with milk and tea, with milk and sugar and everything. So I decided to just get a cup, you know, why not? I ordered melon soda. Melon, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, so I got fries. Let me eat some. I'm hungry. The fries is actually really good. I like Moss Burger. I think it's the best tasting burger so far. Yeah, I don't usually eat so much fast food in one go, so I don't get a chance to compare, and I don't remember like what tastes like whatever. But I know Moss Burger, that's the shit, you know. Alright, so get rid of this thing. I'm hungry as hell. Ooh, look at this burger. God damn. Okay, guys. Alright. So, look at this deliciousness. I got fries. Forgot to ask for ketchup as per usual. But yeah, I'm gonna put this juice right here, and that's gonna be my dinner for today.